It is not what you know, it is how fast you can learn. Welcome to Quick Learns channel. Today we will see what data structures is all about. What is a data structure? We'll split it into two. What is a data? A raw form. It has no meaning. We cannot get any result out of it. What is a structure? It is just representing the data in a easy way. Therefore, data structures is nothing but a collection of data values, relationships among them. That is, you are making the data so effectively organizing it in such a way that it is very easy for others to understand. It enables access and modifications. So you can do all the changes in it and make it into an efficient way of understanding. Now let us see its types. It has two types, linear data structure and non-linear data structures. In linear data structures, you see that the data will be arranged in a sequential manner. For linear data structure, we have four examples: array, stack, queue, and linked list. Whereas in non-linear data structures, you will not have the data in a sequential manner and you have to arrange it in such a way that it gets related to each other. They are graphs and trees. Now let us see in detail. Array. Array is a form where you can arrange all the data elements in a single dimension, two dimensions, or a three-dimensional array. You can store data in your own proper way. Next, come to stack. You have stack of books in your left hand side. So how will you stack the books there? First you keep the red, green, red, blue, yellow, then the light blue, then the orange. So if you want to remove the red book, will you be able to remove it very easily? No. You have to take the first orange book, then blue. It goes on like that. The same way in the right hand side, if you see in the stack, the elements are kept as 5, 6, 9, 2. 2 is like the orange book. So if you want to remove any element, you can take the first one as the orange book. Likewise here you can take only the 2 element. So first you will take the element number 2, and if you want to take 6 as the number, first you have to take 2 out, then 9 out, then the 6 out. So it goes in that order, and the top of the stack is the main point in the stack. Next is the queue. You have been in your daily life, every day you would have met this situation where you stand in a queue and get something, or go talk to a person or something like that. So if you are in the first position, you will go first and talk to them and go back. If you are in the last position, you have to wait for others to move on, then you have to go get and come back. So this is a first in, first out. So in the right hand side picture, you can see 60, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50 are all arranged in a queue. 50 is the first person to stand. For an example, 50 is the first person, 40 second, 30 third. So if you are in the 50th position, you will go first. If you are in the 60th position, you will go at the last. This is what is the difference between a stack and a queue. Next comes the linked list. In a linked list, the nodes will be connected to each other and each node will have a linkage too. So if you have to go only in the sequential manner. After 2, 4, 6, 8. So 2 is considered to be the head node and 8 is the tail node. Now comes to graph. Graph is interrelationship of many nodes. For example, you and your friend are there and she has a set of friends. So you both have a connection with many. So you will have many connections, that is represented in a graph. Next comes to tree. Here you can have an example of your family. Your grandfather, he'll have 3 or 4 children. Then for them they'll have children's. This you cannot represent in a form of graph. Tree is a hierarchical form of representation. So when you represent, it should be in a sequential order manner, not a sequential orderly manner. Likewise, the data can also be arranged so that it is in a sequential manner with root and a leaf. Root is your grandfather and leaf for you and your friends. Thanks for watching this video. Please like and subscribe the video if you like it, and share it too. Do not forget to click the subscribe button and hit the bell icon. Thank you.